How to take picture using laptop camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can take a picture using your laptop's camera. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to the search option on the taskbar and search for camera. So camera comes pre-installed in your laptop. So you just have to open it up and then camera opens up and then you can just tap on this white button with the camera icon to take a photo, or you can even take a video with the recorder icon. And then once you click the picture, you'll be able to see it from the camera roll. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you want to check the picture from your files, then open up your file explorer and then you'll find the pictures option on the left hand side. You just have to tap on it and go to camera roll. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.